guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest and the nicest gift card for Christmas in Canva. So let's dive into action right now. So I'm going to share my screen right now with you in order to show you how to do these super nice gift cards. So I'm just going to show you here. It's canva.com and you can go into templates. And the trending things right now are gift cards, Christmas gift certificate, and things like that. But I want to go into gift cards. So we have a lot of templates to choose from, and they're really all original. I like them all. Most of the time when I go into into Canva, I don't know what to choose because everything is really nice, but you have to just remember what your brand is, or if you're doing that for your family, just try to think what you want to give to others and what do you like. So what kind of branding do you like? So let's choose, I don't know, let's choose this one with a family. That's cute. So you just click on that. You have the colors here and you say use that template. So I'm not sure if my screen is shared right now. So I'm just going to go there. So I make sure I'm sharing the right screen. And here we are. So we have our our Christmas gift card. And as you can see here, there's like the Canva screen on it. So it means that if you want to use that picture, you're going to need to pay. So if you say download, it's going to cost you $1.39. So most of the time, Canva is really cheap. So if you really want to use a picture of a random family, you're welcome. But I would suggest that you put something more personal, as the subject is to make a personalized Christmas gift card. So let's say I'm going to go in my pictures uploads here, and let's put that picture like that's me. So I'm just going to put my picture right here just for fun, but I wouldn't use that kind of picture. It's kind of weird to put myself like that. But anyway, so I'm here and I can put all the messages that I want. And here you can add elements. So if you say Christmas, you're going to have a lot of little cute things about Christmas. So I could put a Christmas tree on just right there on my sweater. And like I'm just joking around, like you can put whatever you want, but it's just I'm not gonna do something really cute right now. I just want to show you quickly how to do that. So you can say Merry Christmas, Mom. And I'm just gonna put myself somewhere else, just right here. So I love you, Marie. Okay, so there you go. You can add everything that you want. So if you want to change the text, let's say you want to put that in bold and you want to put mom into another font like Alice, like this, anything. So you can really change everything in the pattern. You could change the background as well. So if you don't like the red and you prefer to put more green so it fits with my t-shirt, that's some things that you can do as well, guys. So you can really play around. It's super easy. And as soon as you're ready, you just go there. You can say print cards and resize your design and stuff like that. Or you can simply download it and print it if you have a good printer. So you just download it and you can have it on your computer. So you're good to go with your Christmas card, and you can make people happy around you. So that was it for today, guys. If you like that content, please give me some thumbs up, give me some comment below. I really appreciate it. I always answer to all my comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get notification when I go out there and post new stuff. So have a really good day and have a really good time on Canva creating your Christmas gift cards. Okay, ciao.